Hello. Welcome to Learn English with Matt. Today, we have a simple conversation about daily activities. Let's get started. Hello. How are you today?
Hello. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Let's talk about your daily routine. First question. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Nice. What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Good habits. What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Great. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and drink tea.
Sounds delicious. After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I get ready for my day and study English.
That's very good. What time do you start studying or working?
I start studying at 9 o'clock.
Nice. Do you take a break during the day?
Yes, I do. I take a short break at noon.
Good. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
After lunch, what do you usually do?
After lunch, I rest for a little and then continue my work.
Great routine. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I spend time with my family and watch TV.
That's nice. What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 o'clock.
And finally, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Excellent. Thank you for this conversation. And thank you for watching. If you want to learn English, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.